In this video, I'll show you how to get promo codes for QVC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser on your mobile device. Then you want to type in the Google search bar here, promo codes for QVC, and then hit enter. And then you'll get these search results inside Google. So you've got coupon follow up to 20% off. You got real time me not, $30 off, QVC promo codes, coupons.com. Keep scrolling down. You got these third-party sites that are pretty much the big players in this space. So the one I like to use is couponfollow.com. Any one of these sites will work, but just check the expiration dates on these codes. Sometimes they expire. So I'm going to get in the couponfollow.com, scroll down, you can see all their latest offerings. These change daily or weekly, so just come back daily or weekly to see their different offerings. And now for demonstration, to get one of these codes here, what you want to do, and you can see these codes are verified as well. So, and also you can see someone just say $33 off their order, etc. So to activate any one of these codes, simply click into it, click on copy the code, and now paste this code at the checkout section of QVC to activate your $30 off your first order over $60.